to us. And just some of the benefits as we see them. I mean, in order to do proper research, you also need to find and recruit the right customers in order to get the feedback and get your hypothesis answered in order to get the results that you need. Also, as I said before, working in a process-heavy is really time-consuming, working in an environment like that. So we've also seen it a bit like hacking the time-consuming recruitment process by applying a user panel to the way we recruit. And also, we both believe that it's really money well spent. Being able to take from a power of customers who have actually opted in to help you is really nice. But also just looking towards the cost that it can be to use an external user panel and getting others to recruit for you, that can be quite expensive, I can tell you. And also what is really cool about applying a user panel to the way you recruit is that it also supports a variety of needs and different methods, depending if you are a commercial manager like me, if you are a UX designer like Maja. It has a really strong focus point on and adding that variety and being able to apply your user panel to many ways of doing research.